Hey, I'm meteorologist Chad Garno, and you're watching the Arkansas Extreme Weather Blog for January 16th, 2011. We've worked out all the kinks, and we're getting the videos back on the blog. Hard to get motivated when you've got this sight outside your window. Cloudy skies right now coming in out of Danville, Arkansas. That's the northwest side of the state, courtesy of WeatherBug there. You can see just not exactly a bright scenery in that part of the region, and we are seeing this kind of cloud cover over the entire state of Arkansas. The only glimpse of sunshine we're seeing from the visible satellite is in northwest Arkansas, near Fayetteville. Those are the only people that may get some sunshine today. And not only are the clouds bringing in that gloomy sight, but they're also bringing in some light to moderate downpours in southern Arkansas. You can see a nice blob of green and yellow there coming in from the radar, and this light to moderate shower is going over to the east at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Not a quick pace there, so they're going to get soaking in Camden, Monticello, anywhere from a quarter to maybe up to a 3/4 of an inch of rain today. In central Arkansas, we'll miss out on the majority of the heavy raindrops. We may have some light drizzle at times. I think that's all we can see on this Sunday. Models are showing that too. We'll keep the light to moderate showers in southern and southeast Arkansas through the day. So if you live in Little Rock or northward, you're not going to have to use the umbrella. If you live well down near Camden, Monticello, it may take a while before you stop using the umbrella. Temperatures generally in the 40s and 30s. 37 in Little Rock right now, 40 in Russellville, and into the low to mid-40s where it is soaking wet. Temperatures are expected to be near 40 degrees in Little Rock, more the upper 30s in northeast Arkansas, with thermometers there in between 36 and 40. More the low to mid-40s in southern Arkansas as they continue to deal with the showers. Here is a look at the long-range models. The GFS initialized at 12Z, or otherwise 6 a.m., and this is going out to 12 p.m., which we just looked at the radar, and it's confirming, yeah, there it is, light moderate showers in southern Arkansas. Not much in central Arkansas. Let's talk about Monday. We're going back to work. We're going back to school for some folks because it is Martin Luther King Day. We're going to have some light drizzle in some spots in Arkansas. Not a whole lot of the heavy downpours on this day. Cloudy skies. Temperatures are going to be bouncing back up into the mid-upper 40s at this point. We get to Tuesday. Cold front's coming in from the northwest. It's not going to really move those temperatures down that much. We are expecting into the low to mid-40s, and there's going to be some clouds around. Could clear out in the afternoon, and we were thinking we were going to have some rain showers in the morning for this day, but it doesn't look like the GFS is agreeing on that assessment, so we may have to trim down the chances of precipitation for Tuesday. We get to Wednesday. This will probably be the brightest day of the work week as we get thermometers back up into the upper 40s, some places into the low 50s in southwest Arkansas as we bring in winds out of the east and southeast. Another low developing in Colorado, and that system is trucking along and is going to be smack dab on top of us as we get into Thursday. And that's why you see all of the green there on your screen. That is going to be indicating some light to moderate showers. All liquid, morning to early afternoon for Thursday. At least that's what all the models are suggesting. We're sticking with it. Now, as we get into Thursday night into Friday morning, more of that cold air is just diving in, and when it interacts with this precipitation, it's going to create the possibility of freezing rain, and it may just be cold enough in some portions of the atmosphere to get some snow, light snow in northwest Arkansas. So the snow amounts are going to be going down compared to what we were talking about earlier for maybe a couple inches to now we may not get a whole lot of snow, but freezing rain, and that's not going to be good for the roadways either way you look at it. Some snow, freezing rain, not going to be good for our roads, and we could see it as we wake up for Friday morning. And as we get to 6 a.m., this is GFS showing some light flurries over our area, some heavier snow bands in the northeast part of the state. Again, we're not crazy about a whole lot of snow out of this system. We're more concerned about the freezing rain event. And then by 12 p.m. Friday, all the precipitation is gone. Temperatures are into the 30s. Saturday, we've got sunshine around, but temperatures struggle to get back just above freezing there into the mid-30s. All right, what does the European say? Exactly the same thing for the morning and early afternoon hours of Thursday. So when you're going out, you'll be fine. You may have to use the umbrella. Scattered showers, temperatures generally in between the 30s to the 40s. we get to Thursday night into Friday morning, and what's interesting about this model is it used to show all the snow anywhere from 1 to 2, 3 inches on the backside of the system, so we were going to go to a rain-snow event. Now the ECMWF barely gives us enough for freezing rain as we get into the nighttime period, and as we wake up for Friday around 6 a.m., all the precipitation's gone. It's just to the east of the state. So if this model's right, we won't get much of a freezing rain event, or snow for that matter. We'll stay just enough on the warm side before temperatures really begin to plummet. Hopefully that pans out, but we have a feeling that's not going to really happen with the system, especially with the amount of cold air just waiting up from the north. So overall, expect a changing system as we get into Thursday. For right now, we're sticking with rain, freezing rain, and eventually there is the chance for some snow. Not a whole lot of accumulation, at least nothing compared to what we had a week ago into Sunday. So don't plan on for that, but do plan for an event for Thursday evening into Friday morning, and plan ahead. If you are going to be traveling for Friday morning, the roads could be a bit slick. That is it for the Arkansas Extreme Weather blog for today. I'll have more notes on the blog coming up in the next few days. And don't forget, I'll be on Fox 16 at 9 o'clock tonight, so don't miss it. And thank you so much for taking time out of your day, and hopefully you have a safe and wonderful afternoon.